predatory trumpetfish hide behind crevices or nestle within large shoals of fish. They're able to strike at their victims before they realize the danger they're in. Their elongated body allows them to face their potential prey head-on, without revealing their true size. They can swim upside down, change color, and explosively dart forward. All of these traits make them formidable hunters of their underwater realm. While many of Aliwal's predators use the landscape to conceal themselves, others use their fellow residents.